Morning everyone, it's now late morning, 10:30ish coming up to. So before we start this morning, we're going to roll it back to early this morning. That's where it takes place. The video starts, so just a short one like I said. So let's roll that new intro, eh? Kia ora. Morning people, morning. It is Wednesday the 17th of June 2026 and the time is about 6:50 a.m. and we're going and take the BT50 in to the glass place to replace the windscreen at last. Got a warrant of fitness for this vehicle I think next week or the week after, 28th or 20 something. So finally we're taking it to get the cracked windscreen replaced. So yeah, we'll catch you when we get there. Kia ora. Oh, it's just bloody cold this morning. Got the heater on, but waiting for it to heat up. Bloody chilly. Makarere. Wife's way down the front there. Gonna be dropping this ute off and then jumping in Kurmi and taking my wife to work and then coming back home on Kurmi. Kia ora. It's now, I don't know if you can see that, 7:35 a.m. We are now in Kurmi. We've dropped off my wife, my better half at Mahi, at her kura, and now we are heading back home to the farm in Kurmi. All squashed up in Kurmi. Kia ora. So yeah, they reckon the BT50, the windscreen will be in by around about lunchtime is when they'll get around to having it installed. Take out the old one, put in a new one. So it should be ready by about lunchtime. Going to try and coincide picking it up with my wife's lunch. Not too sure when Smith & Smith close. We could just get it after, but I think we're in the midst of planning to pick it up in her lunch break, my wife's lunch break, which is around 12:30 to 1:30. If we can get it done in that window, that's what we'll do. But we'll let you know what's going on. Kia ora. We're just heading back past the wharikai, the whakatū marae. On our way out to there's the Miyazu Gardens. On our way heading towards Atawhai, coming up to State Highway 6, the way out, the way to Picton, Heda, Blenheim. We turn up here, connect on State Highway 6, which is the one we want to be on the way home back to Delaware Bay. Kia ora. Ooh, and we've got free pass. So with that being said, we'll call it a day. Time is now 20 to 2 p.m. I'll be going in shortly, well, at 3:30, pick up my wife from Kuta. And yeah, so yeah, not a good day so far. But anyway, like I said, just a short one. And hopefully everyone else having a better day than us. Roll the outro, catch you on the next one.